Now we will see how to generate an API key for Together AI and how to add it here. So if you click on Get API Key, you will come to this page. That website, or you can directly search on Google for Together AI API Key, and you will see that the API is from together.ai, meaning the site is together.ai. So here it is. After going there, you will see that it asks you to log in. When logging in, you can either continue with Google directly or log in using any other method. So click on continue. As soon as I clicked, I just continued with any one of my Gmail accounts. Then after clicking continue, you will see that your Together account has been signed up, and here you must add at least one card. The minimum amount, for example, is a deposit of 5, so the minimum is shown beside it. You have to load a minimum of $5. Previously, they had an unlimited free model for one account. Now, actually, if you don't load money onto the card, they won't let you use it. Usage will automatically stop at 0. You can enable auto recharge. Okay, there's prepaid, pay later. All right, pay later after your credit runs out, or pay monthly is actually best, up to 1,000. Okay, I clicked on skip for now. So after you add your card here, you'll see that they have an e-payment system where Manage Pay is the same. So after clicking on Manage Pay, you can generate the page from here. My API was already generated, so you just need to click on Create, give it a name, and click to generate it. Then what you'll do is simply click here, click on the packet, copy it, and just add it here. Once you've added it, just click on Test to see if it's okay. That means if it's okay, click on Save. Then just go to your video and check whether the image models from Together AI have been added. I saw that they were added. Together AI Flux. Previously, Together AI Flux was unlimited, but now they've made it limited. Actually, they've imposed a limit. The cost is much lower, so in the next video, we will see how to add the Runway API kit. Thank you.